Hey guys, today's UI design tip is to use correct border radius for correct projects. So what I mean by that is border radius is the curves for all these inputs, buttons, switches, everything. So as you can see here, we don't have any border radius, so everything's very straight, narrow edge, everything's zero. If you see here, if I change this to 4, it's all the buttons, all the inputs, all the alerts, everything has a little border radius. Let me increase it even bit more, so it's 12 now. So as you can see, it's here everything has better border radius. If you can increase it, you can just go in and go out as much as you want. So this is like fully rounded everywhere. So I'll change this to 0 again. Now for this type of layout with the very sharp edges for alerts, for everything, everything has very sharp edge, right? This it's not used everywhere. Some design systems use like IBM. I think IBM even has like 2 pixels border radius, something very minute like this, 2 pixels border radius for everything. But 0 pixel border radius is not used by most projects. Most things doesn't use 0 pixel border radius because it's very jarring to the eyes using 0 pixels border radius. But 2 is okay, 4 is where I start usually. So 4 pixels is it has, your users can see there's some border radius. These projects, these type of border radius are used for like very professional, very cramped space environments. So if you have lots of data, reduce the border radius a little bit to something like this, and you can it looks better even with lots of data. So if you have lots of data, if you want something to be very enterprise, very professional, go with 4 pixels border radius at minimum. And if you increase this to 8, this is what I use for like normal web apps. So 8 pixels, it's very nice looking. The buttons look great in 8 pixels border radius, and alerts, everything here has 8 pixels border radius, and this is good for all the normal web apps. So whenever I'm creating a new app, I use 8 pixels border radius because that's a good starting point and it looks good. But you can even increase this to like 24 pixels. So this is 24 pixels border radius. This is like fully rounded on most places. So as you can see, everything's rounded, the alerts rounded, the input, the whole code itself, the button, the switches, everything's fully rounded. This is much more fun, I would say. Users can, if you want your users to be more at ease, more even calm. Yeah, if you want more fun, engaging, and more breathing space in your designs, go with full border radius, at least 24 pixels or more. But don't add lots of border radius for your cards. Your cards should be something like 12 or 16 only. But all these switches, alerts, tags, inputs, everything can go for full rounded border radius, and I think will look good. And that's it for today. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye bye.